Okay, sorry for this small pause. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to draw this column here because the section plane, you see, is passing from here, and in the background I see this column there. Okay, I'm going to draw. Okay, let's draw a faint line here in order to make the drawing look appropriate. Okay, here's the other beam on the other side. Okay, and these beams are carrying what on top of them? They are carrying a floor slab on top of them. Okay, here is the floor slab, and let's sketch it in order to see it clearly. Okay, I forget something. Okay, what did I forget? In the background, what do I have? I have a beam which we see in elevation, and I need to draw that as well. Okay, so now let's add some extra information. First of all, okay, what was this height? This height is 50 centimeters. Okay, and what was this width? This width is 30 centimeters. Okay, and now let's write here. This is what. Okay, let's name this section as B section. Okay, let's write right here B section. Okay, let's turn our page. Okay, and here let's write A section. Okay, and let's write right here ground floor structural plan. Okay, and underneath them let's write the scale. Okay, this is 1 to 50, that's 1 to 50, and this is also 1 to 50. Okay, but still we are not finished. Okay, because we have drawn the plan, we have supported the drawing with written information, and we add dimensions. We add dimensions here and there in these sections, but we didn't add any written information. So I'm going to put our text indicator here. What is this? That is a reinforced concrete column with a section size of 40 by 100 centimeters. Okay, what about this one? That's a reinforced concrete column as well. Okay, with a section size of 25 centimeters to 2.25 meters or 225 centimeters. Okay, what about this? This is a reinforced concrete beam with a section size of 30 by 50 centimeters. Okay, what about this? This surface, that entire surface, okay, this surface I mean, is also a beam. It is a reinforced concrete beam, but it is not on section like these two beams. Okay, so in parentheses underneath the name let's write on elevation. Okay, we see it. Okay, and finally we have got what here? We have got reinforced concrete floor slab here. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, again we have got reinforced concrete column with a section size of 40 by 100 centimeters. Okay, let's repeat that information once more. This is also reinforced concrete column. Okay, with a section size of 40 by 100 centimeters. Okay, this is what? That is a reinforced concrete beam with a section size of 30 by 50 centimeters. Okay, and what about this? That is reinforced concrete floor slab with a thickness of 15 centimeters. Okay, let's add that 15 right here as well. Okay, so this is all that I want you to practice about. Okay, don't feel pressed, don't feel stressed. Okay, so this I'm going to open a homework, okay, in its learning system for you to upload your drawings. Okay, I'm going to put a deadline. I need to put a deadline in its learning system, otherwise it won't let me to open the homework. I'm going to put the deadline until next week, next Monday, but I'm going to press on the button which will allow you to make late submissions, but don't make late submissions. Okay, it's a pretty easy drawing, and it's a pretty easy exercise, a beneficial one. Okay, so don't feel stressed, don't feel pressed, but when you get bored staying at home, you can practice a drawing like this. Okay, so see you next week, and let's show the overall up like this. Okay, view of the drawing. Okay, so thank you for listening to me. Okay, and see you next week, guys.